Hello, welcome back to SSIS course. In this lecture, I will teach you how to install software for the SSIS course. In this course, we will use three softwares. Let's begin to download the software and install that. So let's go to Google Chrome and write down SQL Server 2017 evaluation. Then go to SQL Server Microsoft Evaluation Center. Then go SQL Server 2017, expand that, click the exe option, then continue, then write down your first name, last name, and in the company name you will write down Lecturus global.com, and you will choose company size 250 to 900, job title student, work email address your email address, and in a work phone number you will write down your phone number, and country you will choose your country, and then click to continue, and it will start downloading. And I have already downloaded, so I don't need to re-download. So now I'm going to show you how to install the SQL Server 2017. So click the SQL Server 2017 software. Choose custom option, then click install. Click installation, and then click new SQL Server standalone installation. Okay, choose the free edition, which is evaluation, then click next, then click I accept the license terms, then click next. In here you will get a warning. It's not gonna be a problem for installing SQL Server. Then click next. Okay, now here is the important things, because in many laptops or desktops you will not see the full things because of the resolution, not because the software. So either you can maximize the things, or you can increase the resolution, so like that. So I'm going to click the maximize button, and in here you have to select the option that is required for our courses. So I'm going to choose the features. So these are features are required for our SSIS course. So then click next button. Okay, here you will choose named installed, and in a capital letter you will write down okay. Here you will then click next, and here you will choose mixed mode, and you will add a password that you will remember. So I'm going to put a password like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and add a current user, and my current user is my desktop, and my user, and remember that you have to add the administrative user here, otherwise it's not gonna work. Then click next. Then here you will choose multi-dimensional and data mining mode, and add current user as before that. Then click next, then click next, and these are the features it will be installed in your laptops or computers. And then click install. It will take some times. I'm going to pause this video and I will come back when when it's finished. Okay, the SQL Server 2017 has been installed successfully. So close the installation option, and now you can go to Windows, and you will see there Microsoft SQL Server 2017. So now we will install the second software, which is Microsoft SQL Server Data Tools. Let's go to web browser, click the new, open the new tab, write down Microsoft SQL Server Data Tools, download, or you can go to these websites. Okay, then click the first option, download SQL Server Data Tools SSDT Microsoft Docs, and in here as you see on the left side, it's written that version SQL Server 2019. You will choose SQL Server 2017. Now go down and download the SSDT for Visual Studio 2017. Because I have already downloaded the SSDT before that, so I'm not gonna download again. So let's go to SSDT setup, open the installation, click next, and make sure everything is checked here, and then click install. It will take some time, so I'm gonna pause the video and I will come back. Okay, so the Microsoft SQL Server Data Tools software has been installed successfully. So then you have to click the restart button to restart your computer and to work to the software work efficiently. But I'm not gonna click restart button because I have to install a third software. But you must restart the computer. Okay, I'm going to close this one. Then I'm going to install the third software, and let's click the start button and go to Microsoft SQL Server 2017 and then SQL Server 2017 Installation Center, and go installation, and then you will click install SQL Server Management Tools. And on the left side you see SQL Server 2019. You have to choose SQL Server 2017. Then download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. Because I have downloaded before that and I don't need to re-download again, so I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm going to install SSMS. Okay, then click install. It will take some time, so I will come back. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so my third software has been installed successfully. Then after that you click the restart button to software work successfully. So I'm gonna close this one, and I'm going to show you the 3 software that has been installed. So as you see, the Microsoft SQL Server 2017, and then Microsoft SQL Server Tools, and then the Visual Studio 2017 SSDT. So these 3 software are going to be used in our SSIS course, and I think that's it. Thank you so much.